Hey, hi everybody, David from Azure. And hey, today I want to talk once again a little bit about organic hemp. Hemp kind of used to scare me. I always kind of thought, hey, it's a bit of a fad, it's edge. People are just saying things about it because it's not legal everywhere. But after I began to become more knowledgeable, when our customers began to request this over and over again, can you get CBD products? We really want this pain cream or these great CBD products. And I said, so I began to research it. And I researched it in a big way, and I realized that there is something to that. There is something amazing about some of these CBD type products. So I asked our customers in Facebook, and that would have been this last spring, I asked the customers, hey, would you like Azure to carry CBD products? Is that important? And overwhelmingly, everybody said it was very important. So I began to research, but to find the very best. Our Azure customers expect the best. We want to give them the best. So I began to research, and I had a horrible time finding the best. Very little of the product was really organic, certainly not certified organic. Much of it was weak. Much of it was not spec to the label. It was very disheartening to go through that, and a lot of it grown on land that was not properly organically grown for many years, but pasture or something else where chemicals or heavy metals could have leached into the product. So I came to the conclusion that, hey, Azure has farm ground, we'll grow it. We'll grow some for our customers, and because that's what we do. Azure's had been organic since 1973, one of the oldest organic pieces of ground in the state. This will be a great piece of ground to put this hemp on. So we planted this spring a crop of hemp out here in the fields, and it grew beautifully. So today we have the hemp harvested. It's dried down, it's ready to go, and I want to be able to offer to sell you just plain dried hemp. Why is this important? Most of the time people are selling CBD products, and we will too. However, you can do it yourself. You can make the CBD products out of this dry raw hemp and control the process completely. Don't have to put any chemicals in you don't want to. You can put you can make variations with other things that suit exactly what you need. My wife did that. She made a really cool recipe of CBD salve that she uses in our household, and it's had amazing results. I mean, she uses it she has a little bit of pain in her hands. It makes it a lot better. We also used it on some eczema for our daughter. She got over it overnight. One of the Azure family, her daughter has really bad acne. She says that it cleared up the acne better than the most nasty medicated cream that she's ever tried. So it's been amazing to watch, and this was just a batch that my wife made out of this exact product that we're offering to you. So attached to this email is the recipe that she used, and she just wants to share that with all of you. There's also the basic recipe to just make the pure coconut oil CBD. So today what we're offering you is the dried hemp. Earlier we did offer just the fresh, wet hemp. This is dried. So today I want to show you exactly what you'll get. We're offering a 6 ounce, a 1 pound, and a 5 pound box of hemp that you can order directly from Azure. And here is the 6 ounce box of hemp. So see, there's actually quite a bit here, and this is what you'll be getting. So you'll be getting a stem like this. It has all the cream buds. This is the very top of the plant, the tips. It has the buds on it. It has a little bit of leaf. It has the sugar leaf and a little bit of stem that holds this all together right at the very top. This is the premium stuff. So we're offering the very best. And here is a 5 pound box. This is not a 5 pound box. This is a 1 pound box. This looks like a 5 pound box. There is a lot of hemp here. You get a lot in 1 pound. 5 pounds is 5 boxes this size. It's a stack of boxes about this tall. And so you can save a ton of money doing this. The average 100 milliliter bottle of CBD comes at a price tag of about $41. You can get the same 100 milligrams of CBD out of this product for roughly $2. Plus, you control the process. This is a really cool opportunity. If you're a do-it-yourselfer at all, it's time to do it. This is a great opportunity to get your own fresh, organic, clean hemp to do your own products with. When we went to sell the hemp, we came across a little glitch. Credit card processors at this point, and most banks, don't allow you to sell fresh hemp or hemp products of any sort on a credit card. So I said, hey, does that stop us? Does this make it not work? No. I've been around a little bit longer. Back in the old days, 20 years ago, we always shipped out the product and had people send in checks or money orders later, or send in a check or money order ahead. So if you'd like to buy hemp, we'll have to do it the old-fashioned way. You'll have to go ahead and send in a check or money order either after. If you're an Azure customer, we'll just set you up and you can pay 10 days after you get it once everything's great. And if you're not an Azure customer, we would still love to have you, but we may need to require a prepayment, which should be quick and fast. Just send your check or money order and we'll get it right out to you. Together, let's make quality and wonderful products to make your family and our family healthier and a more abundant life today and every day. Thank you.